What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala games. We're seeing a nice push to the upside. We are in a juicy long trade currently. Currently seeing at 0.02421, up about 7% of the day. Market cap 862 million, 24 volume 83 million. So as you can see, this is our long trade. So far we're in some juicy profits. You can join I gave a signal in the Discord. You can join my signals completely for free. Top link in the comments. So off this low here of 0.018, we had a nice wave one to the upside. Take a trend-based extension from the bottom of that wave to the top, to the bottom of wave two. Highly recommend learning Elliott wave theory. It makes it very simple to trade. All you do is wait for your pullback zone, take your long. So yeah, here it is. The target is right around 0.025 for the wave three. Of course, it can overextend, so just be aware of that. And then you pull back in a wave four, push up in a wave five, and that's where I'll likely look to take my profits. The reason I have it all the way up at 3 cents is because it's a round number and price can explode at any time. But that's what I'm looking at for Gala. We have within the wave three, a wave one, a wave two pullback, and then you'd push up 3, 4, 5. But definitely this wave three target. So as you can see, we're pushing the wave three, right? So we have a 5 wave move, then a 1. We pull back into 2. We bounce perfectly from our pullback zone. We took our long. Yeah, see? So this, it could be an extended wave three because, let me remove this fib. Because this smaller wave count, let me pull these out. Just be patient for me, guys. Hope you're having an absolutely terrific weekend. My girlie hit 50K followers on IG. She does fitness on IG, mostly just because she has a fat ass. But anyways, she does fitness on IG. She hit 50K, so I took her out for a nice steakhouse dinner, a little celebration. Anyways, nobody cares. So that's the wave three target, 161.8 at 0.02796 for that smaller wave count. So I'll show it to you guys right here. Wave one to the upside right here. That's a wave two pullback. Boom, 3, 4, 5, just to complete that larger wave three. So that's why I'm saying that wave three could be overextended, and we definitely could push towards 0.030, which would give me a nice juicy 10 to 1, and I risk 2% per trade, so that'd be a 20% profit. Absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. And if we look over here on the daily, we printed the bullish cross, perfect retest of our inverse head and shoulders. So I think it's likely we push up to that resistance of 0.0298. Join the Discord. It's free, where you can get my trade signals. I did get stopped out last week, to be completely transparent, on my trades, but because I use such good risk to reward, we're in the Gala trade. So if we hit that 20%, minus 6 from that, that's 14. So that's 14% profit over a couple of weeks. So absolutely crushed it in Forex last week, 17% profit. If you had a $30,000 account, that's 5K to your account. If you're trading with 100K, that's $17,000. So you can see what's possible with trading. Even 5K, that's $800 just from following my signals for free. All links down below. Sign up to BITUNIX. I don't know if my signals will be free forever. Eventually, I'll probably say you need to sign up to BITUNIX first, but as of right now, they are free. No KYC, no VPN on BITUNIX. All around the world, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures. Yeah. In the US, I mean, trade futures in the US. All links down below. Smash the like button. Check out the links. Subscribe if you're new. Bang, bang. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.